Now let's do animal puzzle.
Okay.
Is it?
Oh wow. Which puzzle is?
Animal.
Animals. Wow.
Animal puzzle.
Okay. Let's do it.
Yes. Which animal is with them? What is this?
Yes.
T-t-t.
Yes. First identify the animal's body parts. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And to battle.
Oh wow.
To find animals all his body.
Oh wow.
And to battle.
Okay. Now which one?
Now this is name is Bear. And to battle.
Oh wow.
To find all animals body. To find and to battle.
Okay.
Oh, here it is. I found it.
Oh wow.
It's not going to fix. Where is this?
Find it. Where is?
Now let's undetected battle. And I do for all animals bodies like this. Elephant, giraffe, zebra, and water too. This is name is bear.
Okay.
Bear.
Bear.
Where is it?
Find it. Where is?
This is another face for the giraffe.
Okay.
Undetected battle.
Oh, Detective Madhav.
Yes.
Oh, Madhav become a detective for animal puzzle. Yes.
Yes.
Very nice. Good job, Madhav.
Now this is koala's ear.
What is this?
This is koala's ears.
Claw. Which animal?
It's koala's ears.
Koala ears. Very good.
Like that. And this is koala's feet.
Oh
And
wow.
legs. Hold on, God. And to the battle.
Yes, Madhav is become a detective for animal puzzles.
Yes.
Very good.
It's not gonna fix. There's chimpanzee.
Oh, where is chimpanzee?
Yes, chimpanzee. Caw, 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 caw. His name is Yak.
Yeah, okay.
This is lion's tail.
Okay.
What's missing for the tiger?
What? I don't know.
What's missing for the tiger there? Oh yeah, this. Yeah. This name is Tiger. His name is Tiger.
Very nice.
And this is an elephant.
Okay, very nice.
Elephant, tiger, lion.
Very good.
And this is name is Jack. Bear. And lots of other animals too.
Okay.
And this is name is Barry. Where does this last piece go here?
I don't know. This one?
No, that's not correct. That's a kangaroo.
Okay.
I can find the right one. What's this? These are not the koalas either.
Oh, wow.
No, this is Godzilla. No? This is not Godzilla? No, yeah. This is deer.
Wow, which animal?
So many animals I need.
Oh,
So many animals.
okay.
This is Zach's dad.
Okay.
No, that's not Scotia. Maybe here or there. This goes here. Yes. This looks.
Very good.
This goes right here. Yes.
Yes, very nice. Correct. Very nice job, Madhav.
Now on top.
Madhav, you're doing great job.
Yes.
Yes, you do.
That's my great job.
Yes, you do yourself. Very good.
Elephant, tiger, lion, bear, kangaroo, zebra, giraffe, koala, hyena, leopard, yak, and chimpanzee.
Very nice.
animal person I saw.
Oh wow, very nice. Good job.
Birds,
Yeah,
animal.
very good.
This is a bird picture, a bird's picture, and this is animal picture.
Very nice. Good.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's
Bye, listen to the room and subscribe my channel to watch my own videos and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.